अरे मेरे भाई, तुम यहाँ ऐसे नीचे सैर झुका कर क्यों खड़े हो?
यार स्पाइडी भाई, क्या बताऊं, बिगफुट मेरी सेल्फी स्टिक लेकर भाग गया और उसमें मेरा फोन भी अटैच था।
क्या? यार भाई, आपने किसी बंदर को देखा यहाँ मार्केट में जो चोरी किया हुआ फोन बेचने आया हो?
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm sure you've seen those viral Spiderman and Deadpool vlogs videos on Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, they're everywhere. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use ChatGPT and VO3 to create cinematic superhero scenes without touching a camera. Let's begin. First step, creating the perfect AI prompt to generate your Spiderman and Deadpool video. Head over to ChatGPT. Now type something like this. Hey, I want to make a vlog video with Spider-Man in VO3, so can generate a prompt where a Spider-Man recording his POV holding selfie stick in Indian local market. He says, और दोस्तों क्या हाल चाल, सुना है मार्केट में बिगफुट के व्लॉग्स चल रहे हैं, इसलिए सोचा कि मैं भी चले आओ make realistic vlogging video. Now you can see here the prompt is ready, but here's the catch. ChatGPT often gives the dialogue separately. Gemini gets confused when dialogue isn't baked into the prompt. So I asked, can you rewrite the prompt with the dialogue inside it? So now you can see that ChatGPT has given us inside the dialogue prompt, so it will be easy for us to generate the video. But the dialogue given to us by ChatGPT is very long, so I would request ChatGPT to make it within 8 seconds. Once I had the fixed prompt, I copied it and pasted it into Gemini's VO3 generator. The video started rendering. And boom, the video is ready now with perfect dialogue plus visuals.
और दोस्तों, सुना है मार्केट में बिगफुट के व्लॉग्स चल रहे हैं, तो सोचा स्पाइडी भी ट्राई करें।
Now I have to generate a second scene with Deadpool. Go back to the ChatGPT and type smoothing like this. Okay, that's great, it's working. So now I want to create a second scene with Deadpool and Spider-Man, where Spider-Man recording his POV, same that I have given you instructions from last prompt, but the actual scene is Spider-Man exploring Indian local market like vegetables, fruits, etc. That time Deadpool in the background standing on local chai ki tapri, tea stall. He is so sad. Spider-Man look at him through his vlogging camera. He goes to Deadpool and says, और मीर भाई तुम यहाँ ऐसे नीचे सिर झुका कर क्यों खड़े हो? Then go ahead. I repeated the same method. Just change the scene description and dialogue. You can read this and copy it. Come back to the Gemini and paste it here. So our second scene is also ready. Let's play it and see.
अरे मेरे भाई, तुम यहाँ ऐसे नीचे सैर झुका कर क्यों खड़े हो?
So was this method easy or not? In this way, you can generate multiple scenes, create a good story in your video, and upload it on YouTube or Instagram to generate views and revenue. Here's a quick montage of the scenes I generated using this method and some basic edits.
और दोस्तों, सुना है मार्केट में बिगफुट के व्लॉग्स चल रहे हैं, तो सोचा स्पाइडी भी ट्राई करें।
अरे मेरे भाई, तुम यहाँ ऐसे नीचे सैर झुका कर क्यों खड़े हो?
यार स्पाइडी भाई, क्या बताऊं, बिगफुट मेरी सेल्फी स्टिक लेकर भाग गया और उसमें मेरा फोन भी अटैच था।
क्या? यार भाई, आपने किसी बंदर को देखा यहाँ मार्केट में जो चोरी किया हुआ फोन बेचने आया हो?
All AI, all cinematic. And yes, I have given the prompt link in the description below, so you can go from there and get the idea. If this helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more such AI content ideas. Comment below on which topic you want the next video. So bye bye. See you in the next video. Thank you.